All right. The next thing we're going to touch on is molecular shape. So on our piece of paper, we draw flat structures because our paper is two-dimensional, right? But in real life, they are three-dimensional objects. So our pictures represent 3D molecules. And the shape of a molecule is very important to its properties / reactivities. So if we want to know about a molecule, we need to know about its shape. And then here's just some examples from the biochemistry world. So on the left here, we've got a red blood cell, which is made out of hemoglobin, which has hemes in it. And so then on the bottom is hemes. These are organic molecules, so there's a lot of carbons. You don't see any Cs. Anywhere you don't see a C, that means that there's a carbon there. But in the center is this iron molecule. And then this iron molecule binds to some oxygen molecules, that O2, and then transports that oxygen throughout your bloodstream. And that's basically, how you get oxygen throughout your body. But it's only able to do this because the fact that this iron has this very flat structure and has this area where this oxygen can bind to this iron. Another example is your taste buds, and basically all of your cell receptors. Shape is very, very important to biochemistry, but taste is one good example. So on side your tongue, right, you've got some kind of receptor, and this receptor can fit different types of molecules in it. And so if it has the right shape, your food particle will go into this receptor. Once it does so, it will send off an electrical signal to your brain that tells your brain that you're tasting something, right? So an example of this, the way we can use this knowledge, is with artificial sugars, right? Artificial sugars taste sweet, but they don't have any calories. The reason that they taste sweet is because the artificial sugar is able to bind to this receptor, and it tells your brain that you taste sweet flavor. However, the artificial sugar doesn't actually have as many calories as the real sugar does. It binds to this receptor much more strongly. And so, boom, there's a way that you can use the shape of the molecule.